In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a fast wall charger, actually a set of fast wall chargers. This is a 3-pack. And what these are all made for iPhone 11 and up to like 14. Now the 15 has a USB-C charger now, and these are actually 20-watt chargers. So your normal iPhone charger is around about 5 watts or something like that. And looking at these things, look at these things. This looks really good, and these cords are very high quality, very strong. They can actually pull like a lot of weight. It looks like you get a lightning port on here. Are compatible with all iPhones, and it's got a USB-C on that side. So how cool is that? And that's a good attachment there. And it looks like, so looking at this right here, you can go from 17.7 watts to 20 watts to 25 watts max output. How about that? Let me go ahead and plug this up. I have an iPhone 13 Pro, so let me plug one of these up and let's see how well it charges it. Well, there you go. I can't tell if it's fast charging or not, but you know what? It's definitely charging the phone at 75, and see how fast it'll go up. So in just a few minutes, I got 80% charge on there where I was at 75 just a while ago. So 5% in just that little bit of few minutes there. I really think if you let this thing go, it will charge in about 30 minutes. Now the iPhone 13 doesn't charge as fast as the 14, so it's only going to use the power that they've regulated for your phone. But I recommend these things, everybody. This is a very affordable cost. These things right here, I think will work just fine for anyone that's got an iPad. You know, look at that. It just went up another one while we're sitting here. iPad, AirPods, or like an iPhone or anything like that. Anything that's got fast charging on it, I recommend getting these, because you don't just plug it in. You got to get the fast charging brick, and these are like maximized to give you the most amount of power on these things. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the fast charging cables and bricks. See y'all in the next video.